Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electronic Circuits Hub. Today I'm your host Rajkumar Chaudhary and we will be doing the project Measuring and Cutting Machine. So let's get started. This project we require 12 volt 2 ampere SMPS, Arduino Nano board with development board, 3 stepper motor drivers, 2 NEMA 17 stepper motor with wheel over it, 1 stepper NEMA 17 stepper motor with knife fitted over it, 1 16x2 LCD and 1 4x4 keypad. Let us enter the length 10 mm and quantity we require 50. We will save the quantity and execute. We can see that the quantity made is shown in the display. Motors are measuring and third motor is cutting. We can check that how many quantities are made. On display it is shown. As quantity gets completed, the motor stops and asks for next length and quantity. Let me explain the function. We have 6x2 LCD and 4x4 alphanumeric keypad. We have numbers on over it and ABCD. I will explain the function of ABCD later. We have star for saving the number and hash for clearing the numbers. Now we will learn about the interface part. We are entering the length, pressing star to save it. Enter the quantity, press star to save it. We can press A for yes, B for no to edit and C for measurement. We have pressed B for edit. We will press the length again and quantity again and we can execute the part. We have entered the length 78 and quantity 9. We can see the length and quantity same as entered and we have executed the part. Execution has started. The motor is running and stops after total execution of quantity. Again we can enter the length. We also have function that if we don't want to enter the length and cut some number arbitrarily, then you can use the button C for it. We will go to that menu. We have reached there. We will press C to measure the length. We will press C and 1 mm will increase as we press. Mm is increasing. Now to cut that size, we will press D and cut size is same as we had measured. Again we will do it. We are increasing the length. Then we will press D to cut this length we want. 24 mm is cut. We can go to any length by pressing this C and D to cut the length. Let us go for some bigger length. We'll go for 5002 mm length and 6 quantities we will make. We will enter the numbers and execute the code. All the 3 motors measure and cut. You can like, share and subscribe our channel. to keep us motivated. The code link is provided below. Thanks for watching.